Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Audi Q5 visor clip. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, your new visor clip, and a soft cloth to protect surfaces. Make sure your Audi Q5 is parked safely and the ignition is off. This simple repair is quick and easy, usually taking less than 5 minutes from start to finish, so let's get started right away. Now, let's remove the old clip. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into the seam of the old visor clip cover. Carefully pry it open to expose the retaining tabs or screws underneath. If your visor has built-in lights, you might find a small electrical connector. Gently disconnect this by pressing the release tab to free the old clip completely. With the old clip removed, it's time to install the new one. If your visor has an electrical connection for lights, carefully plug the wire into the new clip, ensuring it's secure. Next, align the new visor clip with the 2 mounting holes in the headliner. Apply firm, even pressure and push the new clip into place until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's fully seated. To finish up, let's perform a quick check. Move your sun visor up and down several times, ensuring the new clip holds it securely in both the stowed and deployed positions. Make sure there's no wobbling and it feels firm. This simple replacement can significantly improve your driving comfort. Remember to periodically check all your vehicle's interior clips for any signs of wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.